Gates open, they're up and racing. Blushing Dream draws for your lead. Play the music on the outside. Then comes 7A, So Blessed. Next in line, moving up now on a rush in between runners Salvatore. Deputy Jazz now rushing up to take Peep, then followed by Diamond Lover, Dare to Dream by the rail as they pass the 900 meters post. On a rush in command, Blushing Dream is on the outside. Play the music, racing in third, down in fourth by the rail Salvatore. Then moving up on the outside, Deputy Jazz as they race at the last 600. On a rush, still leading the field by 3/4 of a length. Then moving up on the outside, Blushing Dream. Deputy Jazz now coming in closer in third. Dare to Dream, play the music as they turn for home. Blushing Dream running at the center by the rail on a rush. Deputy Jazz, Salvatore, play the music and Dare to Dream. And down the stretch they come. Blushing Dream this time leading the field by about 2 lengths. On a rush, Salvatore, Deputy Jazz, Dare to Dream with the last 75 meters. Blushing Dream, the favorite, winning this race over on a rush. Close between Dare to Dream, number 7, Diamond Lover, and Deputy Jazz for your Pentafecta.
So 5-1, 6-7-4.